Namaste ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. So here we have a past tense today. So past tense ನ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ discuss ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So today we are taken the simple past tense. In that, so what are the things will come? So everything we are going to discuss here. And here the last time how we taught and how we learned, like that only we are going now. So here we have a formula first of all. So with the formula, we are going one by one. And if you understood the tenses, you will understood the whole grammar portion in the English. Okay. So let us understand the things. Right. So here we have a subject in the past tense. Past means what? You already know. The things already happened. Already the event already is passed away. Okay. That we are talking now. So if we are talking about the past things, so that we are going to learn the past tense, right? So past tense ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭೂತಕಾಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮ್ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿ past tense ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. Okay, then so we are going here with the subject, right? The same things, the subject and plus verb plus object, right? So verb, which verb? Here we mentioned V2. What is V2? So that we are going to understand now, right? What is V2? So V2 means what? Here verb is there. So we already know that we have a verb types. There are many types of verbs will come in English grammar and English learning in English spoken. But here the most commonly and the most of the time we need for the spoken, that is action verb, right? Already we know that action verb is mostly we are using the most of the time. So we repeatedly we wanted the action verb vocabulary. So here the action verb we are talking about here. And about, in action verb we have a regular verb and irregular verb. There are two types. And what is irregular and irregular? That we are going to understand now. So regular means nothing else. So here what we have a verb plus ed. So where we are adding verb ಜೊತೆಗೆ ed form ನ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ, that is regular verb. Understood? For example, here we have a play, played, complete, completed, create, created. So like that we can take a lot of verbs we can found in a textbook and we can found around us. So that so we only focus where there is a ed form, that is considered as a regular verb. That much you have to understand. Next, so irregular verb. So next irregular verb, there is a rule. The second form of verb means what? Whatever the regular verb or the irregular verb. What is irregular verb? First we are going to know. So ಕೆಲವೊಂದು verbs ಬರ್ತವೆ, ಅವು ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ, ed forms ಇರಲ್ಲ, right? Without ed form the structures totally going to change in the second form. So that we are consider the irregular verb. Like what? Go, went, speak, spoke, right? And eat, ate. So speak, spoke, speak, spoke, like that. Okay, so sing, sang. So like that we have, right? So go, went. So here I have given one example. So this much you understood for the regular and irregular. There is no confusion. And if you have a confusion, just comment in the below. Then and we are going to the sentences. How we are going to present the sentences in the past, simple past tense. So here we have a I finished my work. Okay, finished. So here you just have to observe the finished. Here we have a ed, right? So that ed it shows that is from the simple past tense. Aste. Understood? So next, you went, go, went, right? The went market yesterday. ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನನ್ನ ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಆಗಿರೋದು, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ದ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್, ರೈಟ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಡ್ ಅವೇ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಂಟ್, ಯು ವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ and we played cricket. See here, so you can observe regular and irregular. So according to this you can divide these words. So because of that I have added here. So went ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಿದು irregular verb, and played, this is also regular verb. And they visited, here also ed came, and that is also comes under the regular verb. They were visited their grandparents home, and he explained, here also ed, and he explained clearly, he explained clearly. And she wrote a letter to her friend. Okay, she wrote. Already, it is not a regular verb. It is irregular verb because write, wrote, written. Right. So we can have a different form. And it barked in the street loudly. Okay, it barked street in the street. So that means ನಾಯಿ ಬೊಗಳಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ವರ್ಬ್. ಓಕೆ, so this much you have to understand. And why I am mentioning regular and irregular, you have to mention because you will not understand what is V2. Okay, that's why I am mentioning all of them these sentences. So then we are going to negative form of simple past tense, right? The negative sentences, how we are going to present the negative sentences in the simple past tense, right? So here we have a that also we have a one structure, so that is nothing. So we just have to add the do form, do second form, right? Do idu past present ಆಗುತ್ತೆ and did ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ past tense ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is one of the verb and this is one of the action verb and also it is a auxiliary verb. This is that do has a two role in the English grammar, right? So here do ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎರಡು ರೀತಿನೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಹೌದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರಿ ವರ್ಬ್ ಹೌದು. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಡಿಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಡಿಂಗ್ V2 form. Observe, okay? So in the past, simple past tense, we are not adding V2 here, but here we are adding V2, right? So in the simple present tense ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ the common sentences we have to add the V2 form. Here we don't, right? Here we have to add what? So here we have to add the V1. Understood? So then, so subject plus did plus not plus V1 plus object. This much we have to add, and according to that we have a sentences here. So I did not, okay, so I did not go to school. Okay, I did not go to school. So this is what, and he did not complete the work. So here the verb did not change. Okay, so verb, it is not changed, it is only verb 1, means what, the main verb we are using, right? So they did not, so we are only adding here the did not in the sentence. Okay, so that much you have to understand for the simple past negative sentences, right? So next we are going to interrogative sentence, that means question sentences. Okay, so how to question in the simple past sentences. So here we have another structure for the questioning or interrogative sentences. So for example, did you, so nothing we have to do. So here understand the formula. So here we have written did. So already have told, so wherever you are going to question, the questioning ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ so pronoun ಅನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, next to the helping verb, or here it is auxiliary. So helping verb ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ that going to be a question, right? So ಅಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. and here so did is going to come to first comparing to here, and the pronoun ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that pronoun comes to next to the did ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So here did you finish your homework? did means ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. and here did he come yesterday? ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರ ಅವರು, right? that is also question. and did they call you? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, did they call you? Okay, the common words, hagadre total we understood the simple past tense. I hope you understand. And here there is nothing else to understand in a difficult way. So it is very easy, and I hope you understand. And this much if you understand, so you don't have any problem to understand the simple past tense, right? And if you understand this, and you will understand continuous past tense and the perfect past tense, you will understand further else. So here we have a common words in the past tense, so which are we can see, we can hear the commonly. So that is yesterday, we can see, right? So we will hear these words commonly, the yesterday, last week, last year, and ago, in the 2022, 21, it is happened, no? Already it is happened. So that's why we, whatever we are talking in the past tense, we are talking about the thing is completed, the things is already finished, right? That we are going to talk, no? So that's why we can take the already which is the completed years, that we can take, which is completed hours, that we can take, and which is completed week, the last week, right? The last week, last year, last time, we can take the time, we can mention. So this is all we can see in the past tense. So this is all for the today class, and I hope you understand. If you are not understand, and if you have any confusion, comments in the below. And if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe our channel Jnana Bhumi Pathashala. Thank you.